Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is About That Mama Life, and on my channel we do videos like makeup tutorials, beauty, recipes, DIY, and skincare like the one we're going to talk about today. Skincare is extremely important if you're a makeup lover. Even if you're not, you want to have great skin you can feel comfortable in. Since I've been really focusing on skincare, I've been wearing a lot less makeup, and most days I leave the house with some lashes, some eyebrows, and I'm done. So if you are interested in learning a little bit more about Live Skincare, the new skincare I've been using, then let's get into it. So Live Skincare was kind enough to sponsor this video. They sent me these beautiful products. I've been using them for a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now, so I can really kind of give you my impressions and my review and kind of my honest thoughts on the products. So let's talk a little bit about let's talk a little more about what I got sent. So this is what they call their acne repair bundle. It's not just for people who have acne. Anyone who gets occasional breakouts, hormonal breakouts, or just has combination skin in general, this would work really great for them. Since I've been focusing more on my diet and water, exercise, I haven't been getting as many breakouts as I had been, but I still kind of get hormonal breakouts here in my chin area around my nose every once in a while. I have noticed since I've been using this product, I have only broken out one time, and it was because of a product I use, and it cleared up overnight, literally overnight. So I can't be more impressed with how well this works. So you get two serums. The first, this is the vitamin C serum. It's called the glowing serum. And what this is going to do for your skin, it's going to fight the bacteria that can live on your skin that's going to cause breakouts. It is a very beautiful, thick serum. It has no smell to it. It's in a gorgeous glass jar, and it just feels really great on your skin. It sinks in very quickly, and you're ready to put your moisturizer on. That's going to be your day serum. Now your night serum is called Regenerate. This is your retinol serum. What this is going to do, this is going to help repair your skin. It's going to help to rebuild collagen production, and it's going to just make your skin overall look healthier and more plump. This is going to be your nighttime serum. Just like the glowing serum, it's a very, very thick serum. It feels very good on the skin. There's no smell to it. It absorbs really quickly. It's not runny or watery. And then you've got your day or night radiant cream. Now this is a very thick cream. It smells very good. It's in a beautiful glass jar, and it's very thick. Now, for somebody who gets combination kind of oily in the T-zone, I usually steer away from thick moisturizers because it gets heavy and oily. I was very surprised. As soon as I felt it, I was like, oh, I'm not going to like this. It's going to make me oily. But it doesn't. It puts a lot of hydration on the skin. It sinks in right away. And I've been using it on my hands and my neck as well. And in this winter months, it has been saving my skin. I also am a ride or die eye cream person, but since I've been using this the last week and a half, I haven't been putting anything under my eyes, just that thick moisturizer, and it's been amazing. I cannot believe I'll be able to transition out of buying a $60 eye cream for this. So this set runs $89 on the website right now, and I'll link all of that information below. You'll want to definitely wash your face with your normal everyday cleanser. Use a toner if you like, and then you use the day serum and the day cream, and then the night serum and the night cream. Since I've been using this, overall, I have felt that my skin is more radiant. I'm wearing less makeup. It's glowier, and that little bit of brown sun damage that was still just hanging on, I'm starting to see that fade. So I cannot tell you enough how much I really like these products, and I'll be continuing to use these products. So if you want to see how I use my daytime, I'll insert a clip here. Go ahead and start with my glowing serum. This is the vitamin C serum, and this is going to be the step that helps to kill the bacteria that lives on your skin, to keep your face from breaking out. It's going to help to give you a nice healthy glow, and it's really just a great base. It goes on very thick. It feels amazing on your skin. So that was the glowing vitamin C serum. And next we're going to get into the Radiant Day and Night Cream. This is a beautiful glass jar. It's absolutely gorgeous. It smells clean and fresh. It's very, very thick. What I do is take about, I don't know, a pea-sized amount, spread it onto my fingers, and then I'm just going to kind of tap it onto my skin. Whatever's left on my hands, I rub into my hands, and then I feel like when I'm doing my makeup, I don't have really lotiony fingers. It really just absorbs in, makes my hands soft, and makes my hands feel soft and moisturized. So that is Live Skincare. I've been very impressed with these products. I'm going to continue to use them. Make sure you check me out on my Instagram page so you can follow along with my progress I've been bringing to my skin. But this has been Mama approved. It gets 2 thumbs up, and it's definitely a great skincare company in my book. When you look on their website, they have 5-star reviews with over 15 reviews just on this skincare set alone, which just speaks volumes. People are really loving it like I've been loving it, and I definitely am impressed. So Live Skincare, great job. I'm going to continue to use the products, and if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about the company, I'll leave the information in the description box below. Please comment, let me know if you've tried this, if you're going to try it, what you think. And if you are interested in videos like this, you can check out another one of my videos here. And you can subscribe to my channel here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.